We have 2 packages in the mail. Both of them are destined for Bonnie. This one here, this is a jet kit, carburetor upgrade from Six Sigma Jet Kit. And this right here is going to be 2 mufflers. And this is from Dime City Cycle. Forget where they are, in Florida or someplace. Even personalized. Thanks, John. And a sticker. How cool. So, let's see what these look like. What these are supposed to be, and hopefully they are, is 17-inch shorty reverse cone mufflers. And that's exactly what they are. So we'll open one of them, shall we? Ah, yes. There we are. Pretty cool. Stainless steel, supposedly. I'll have to take a magnet to it and check it out. See if that's actually so. Now, it's supposed to have a removable baffle that you can pack with packing, and however, we'll figure all that out. Yeah, that'll be cool. That'll be a lot less bulky than the megaphone mufflers that are coming out down to about here, you know. And considering the way I'm going to design the bike, you know, and have it have slightly different lines, this here, the reverse cone will repeat the lines I'm going to produce in the rear end of the bike. So that will be the way to go. Let's see. That back in there before it gets all marked up. And some step-down reducers, you know, to join it to the pipe. There are 2 of those, of course. And this is the kit for upgrading the carb. I don't know whether you can see much in there, but it has some jets, probably pilot jet, main jet. Okay. Anyway, all for a later date. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Cool, huh? Who doesn't like getting parts in the mail? Anyway, take care. Bye.